I am a next generational LPN. I did take the next gen on the first try and I passed. Um, my experience with V2 was way better than I expected it to be. I found out about ReMar through Shonda. Shout out to Nurse Shonda. She told me about you, and there was no turning back when I found out about you. When I first got V2, I had did all the content, and I did my own test bank and exams on my weak areas. And yeah, on all my weak areas, I studied so hard. I did about like 2 or 3 case studies a day. I've tried Mark Lamek, Nexus Nurse, Nexus Nurse, and I, of course, with my professor at my college, and I did some eval questions, all very good, all very good. But all in all, I must say that Nurse ReMar, shut down everything. Everything helped me in all areas. All areas. I appreciate the content. The content was straightforward, and I appreciated that the most because the way my brain's set up, I don't need all that information. So yeah. Anyways, life out there in NCLEX is surreal. It's so surreal. I'm still in training, and this is the reason why I purchased your first shift book. So everything is still going. I'm excited. I will say that I did purchase both of your books, and they helped me out a lot. So I encourage all of you guys just to be confident and believe in yourself, and you'll pass. I passed my NCLEX. I am a next gen with God and ReMar. Much love. I love you all. Thank you, ReMar.